For this week's project, you will need markers and crayons. Let's begin with our markers. Use your markers to carefully and neatly color in all the things that you drew. The mountains, the trees, the houses. Trace over your water lines, the fish, the ships, anything that you drew on there, go ahead and color in. You do not need to color in the islands themselves or the ocean. Just use your marker to trace around them. So I'm tracing the blue lines or the wave lines with my blue marker. I outlined the three-dimensional part of my islands, but I did not color in all that space. Just color in the smaller objects that you drew with your markers. For the next step, get your crayons and take out the brown. You're going to want to peel the paper off. If it's a big crayon like mine, you really only need to peel about half of it off. If it's a small one, go ahead and peel all the paper. We're going to be shading in with the long side of our crayon, laying it down on our paper. But first, I want you to wad up your map, crumble it up into a ball. Then, very, very carefully open it back up. Do this slowly so as not to tear your paper. Smooth it out gently. I want you to wad it up, crinkle it up, smooth it out 2 more times to get it nice and soft and wrinkly feeling so that it has a really good old map texture. Once you've smoothed it and crinkled it 3 times, get your brown crayon that you've peeled, lay it down on its side, and gently shade in the entire paper. This will really make the crinkly parts stand out and give it kind of an old-aged feel. Look how cool it looks now with all of our texture. Once you've completed this, go ahead and photograph your art and submit it to Canvas.